Hello everybody! What is this? Oh my! What is this? Is this some sort of intergalactic wallet? No way! Look at this! It's incredible! Wow! Look! There's things written. There's the name of a person. There's pages. There's what? What? There's little pages inside the pages. Oh my God! This is some sort of fractal notebook from the future. And there is pockets. There is pockets in the pages. Wow! This is incredible. And oh my God! There is a pocket here too. Wow! Wow! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Wow! Look at this! Wow! And these are all stuck together. And there is more little pages. This is incredible. This is incredible. And you can just... This is perfect. Wow! What is this? What is this? Like, what? What? Hello, everybody. So, this is something I've made. And it's like a notebook made from an A4 paper and glue. It's just very easy. And actually, if you have scissors, it's easier even. And so, what I like about this, something that I like about this, it's that you can add more. I feel so afraid right now. Okay, so you can add more pages here, and so these are already stick together, and you can go ahead and yes, we're doing this. We are doing this. I'm doing this right now. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to make one of these, or at least one part of this, because I'm gonna go ahead and pick this paper and I'm gonna turn it into a new paper that stick here, and now you can and so extend this notebook so it have like more pages. So for each of these you create 13 pages. It's not pages. Yes, it's pages. It's 13 pages notebook that if I add it to here, it will be like 12 each time I add one. So it's very simple. So for this size, you will do like this. You fold the paper in half, and now you make sure that there is that's perfect, because if it's imperfect, the voice in your head will start screaming at you, and yes, there, it's perfect. I'm safe. I'm so safe right now. This is going great. Okay, so I put this here, and you make a crease here. Am I forgetting something? No, I'm not forgetting anything. And yes, I think it was like this. Oh, I wish I don't forget about it. I'm angry because I don't want to make another recording, I don't want to, like, I've been there, and it's boring. I start to record myself again and again, so I'm just one take. I'm not going to record this again, so pay attention. I'm not going to stop the video, and I can notice there is something covering the view right now. There. You failed! The video is useless now! I know. Okay, I will ignore that emotional anger, and I'll write it. I'll probably reasoning not in the big book. Okay, let's. Okay, now you see you have this accordion stuff, and you fold it in half. Make sure that be careful, because it makes a difference whether you fold it in half like this or you fold it in half like this. So I've been folding in half like this. Probably just the only difference it makes is that where the pages with pockets end up. So you fold it in half like this. All right. It's folded. Yes, this is going great. I'm feeling some fear. I'm not feeling, yes, this is good. I'm not feeling afraid at all. Yes, sirree, not afraid at all. Not afraid at all. Yes. Okay, so we have, wait. Okay, we have this, and you can actually cut it like this using this accordion style. What I like to do is let me check. I want it to be like exactly like this page. So the first page, it's not a pocket page. So I know I hold it this way. So then I'm gonna cut this part. I'm gonna go pick a scissor because I actually last time I cut with a knife. If you want to use your hands for the creases, it works too. I'm just gonna use this scissor because it's here. So I cut here. Oh shit! Oh shit! Okay, I'm gonna go pick up the knife. All right, here's the knife. I'm gonna remove all these food that was in the knife. All right, so I'm cutting. You know, you get the good thing about these notebooks that they look cooler when you fix them. You know, I had this part and I can't find the part. You know, it's so well fixed. You know, you cannot even tell it's a fixture. So, you know, it's really cool. Anyway, so that can stay there. It doesn't matter. And now you have to make sure. So the thing is, like when it's unfolded, this will look like a little snake. So actually, I can actually, knowing this, I can actually go ahead and do it like this. So cut here. And there. And now we do the other one. Here. Be careful, like if you decide to put it like when it's folded like this, be careful because there's some of them that if I cut here, the whole thing falls apart. So right now we have then this notebook that is like one page, there's another page, there's another page, there is another page that is like, this is folded. So what we do now is the ones that are not cut, we cut in half, like this. So now, this is so beautiful. Now we have another page. It's a page within a page, and it has a pocket after we use the glue to paste it. So it's a page within a page, and we have, I think, another one of these. In this, there's this one here. Okay, another one. Everything seems to have quieted down, you know. I just can focus on doing this. I love creating stuff and getting into this flow where there's no low drama happening and stories, and you know, I'm sort of contaminating the stillness with all this talking. Okay, so I feel joy. I think, yeah, I don't want to mess it up. So here, there, and again. And now we have a lot of pages. So with this, counting the pages in between, I call it the little pages. We have so 1, 2, 3 with the pocket, and 4, 5, 6, 7 with the pocket, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, and I probably missed one, or I don't know. It was 13 last time I counted. So anyway, it doesn't really matter the amount of you can count them yourself. Tell me. I'm gonna go ahead and continue with this. So yes, before I add it to this notebook, what I have to do right now. It's use, because this sort of disassemblies. It becomes like this mess if you leave it like this. Yeah, it's not very sturdy. That doesn't work very well. So what does work very well is to actually start pasting this. The curious thing is that the only thing that you have to actually glue together, it's the little pages like this. Glue this and to the next one, and here I don't have to do anything. I think I don't have to do anything. So then I have to do like this again. There's, like you see, there's a little page, and so I make a pocket. So now the little page has this pocket, and it's glued together. And now we continue, and another little page, and again another pocket, and we glue it together. You can put there, if you have one of these glues with a beak, maybe easier. I am so angry because I don't have one of those glues. Okay, so you go ahead and continue, gluing the parts that weren't very well glued, and that's it. You have this. I think it starts from here, and so you have one, and it's gonna count again. So now it doesn't disassembly, it doesn't it just stays there. Look at this, it's beautiful. You have like it looks like a tree, like a fractal notebook or something. So go here, and you want, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I know why. I didn't code the first one. 9, whatever. So all the pages are there. So now what I did then, it's I paste it here like this. So, but before, instead of pasting it all the thing together, let me see if I remember what the hell I did with the first one. Oh, I'm so scared right now because I don't remember, and I know I didn't paste the pages like this. So I'm so tempted to pause the video, figure it out, and then come back, and I feel so afraid now. So I'm gonna just okay. So what I know is that there was a little page extra. So I didn't paste the whole thing. I pasted just this, and then I made like this. Here, this is what I did. This is what I did. So I just pasted this. I make like a little page here, like the first page. I fold it in half, and so when there is like a new notebook starting, you get a little page. So I paste it here. So I can just go ahead and paste this with like use the whole thing like this, and use glue here and here, and that's it. Now I glue it here, and it's done. Look at this. It's done. We have a longer notebook now. Like, I know you can do this every time you reach the end, and in theory, you can just keep adding pages, and so I think it's really cool. And I didn't have money to buy a notebook, and that this came up, and so it's cool. And yeah, that's it. We have a notebook, and then you can just paint it, and add your name or whatever you want. I added this thing, which is like a whole thing, so it can cover it up. This is the details. You can customize it however you want. So yeah, this is it. I am glad that I made this video, and I think it did very well, and I became dead again. I'm gonna remove these menacing utensils and tools. So yes, yeah, feedback is welcome, and if you make one of these in whatever size or whatever, send me a message and send me a picture so I can celebrate that, you know. So that's I just really want to say I feel sad because if you do it and you don't send me a picture, then we won't be friends. I want you to be my friend. So yes, it seems there is an emotional sadness about it. If you make it and you don't send me a picture, don't tell me that you made it, because then I'll be sad, and that's terrible. That's terrible. You are the worst if you don't share with me. Okay, folks, I'm gonna end this session now, and see you around on the spaces. Bye. Hey everyone. So the purpose of this video, of sharing this video with you, is to inspire you. So keep that in mind when you give feedback, because that was my intention, to inspire you. And so if this video inspire you, let me know. And if there are things that didn't work for it to inspire you, to also let me know. I celebrate both positive and negative feedback. So thank you for watching, and bye.